Welcome to the beginner's guide on how to connect OBS to your Twitch. And today we're going to go over a few things. First, what I need you to have is OBS already installed on your PC. And number two, I need you to have a Twitch account ready. So after you have OBS installed, you're going to go over here, bottom right, into settings. Then you are going to click top left over here on stream. After that, click on connect account. And here you are going to input your username and your password. So Twitch is going to send you a verification code, which you are going to copy and paste from your email onto this input. After that's entered, click submit, click OK, and you're ready. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.